Hey everyone, welcome to this super quick tutorial on how to change your username on Facebook in 2025. Whether you're updating for a fresh start, rebranding your profile, or just fixing a typo, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's always good to stay on top of these updates, especially with Facebook's evolving interface. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or mobile app. This works on both. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or the menu icon. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Facebook might have tweaked things a bit by 2025, but it should look familiar. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down to the General or Accounts Center section. Look for the option labeled Username or Name and Username. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see your current username displayed. Now, to change it, simply type in your new desired username in the field provided. Keep in mind that usernames need to be unique, so if yours is taken, you might have to get creative with numbers, underscores, or variations. Once you've entered it, hit Save or Update. For security, Facebook may prompt you to enter your password or even send a verification code to your email or phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. After that's all set, give it a moment to process, and bam! Your new username is live. Quick tip: double-check your changes because some updates might not be reversible right away, and it could affect your profile links. If you run into any issues, like an unavailable username, try logging out and back in or checking Facebook's Help Center. There you have it, you're all done. Changing your username is a breeze and helps keep your online presence fresh. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.